Hello and welcome! Watch till the end and see which is the best truck engine. MAN D38. MAN Truck and Bus is one of Europe's leading commercial vehicle manufacturers and is part of the Traton Group, which includes Scania and Navistar International and is owned by Volkswagen. MAN produces engines from 160 horsepower in the small D08 up to the D38 engine with 640 horsepower. The most used engine is the D36, which is a 12.4-liter inline-six engine with up to 510 horsepower. This is the most fuel-efficient engine and can be chosen on both the MAN TGX and TGS. If you want a bit more power, the more powerful D38 is available. The MAN D38 engine is MAN's most powerful engine with up to 640 horsepower and 3,000 Newton-meters. This inline-six engine is a 15.2-liter engine with two-stage turbocharging. In addition to two-stage turbocharging, the engine uses intermediate charge cooling that employs two air-to-water intercoolers, one after the first turbocharger and another after the second turbo. MAN says this design can lower the charge air temperature to the point that it's actually cooler than the engine coolant. MAN TGX D38 vehicles are designed for maximum reliability and low service costs. What's more, they enable considerably higher payloads thanks to their particularly lightweight design, with an engine dry weight of only 1,345 kilograms. When you're in a workshop, you can't make money. Therefore, as little downtime as possible is an important factor. That's why MAN's D38 runs a full 140,000 kilometers on a service, so you don't have to visit the workshop constantly. Mercedes-Benz OM473. Mercedes-Benz trucks are one of the world's largest commercial vehicle manufacturers, with over 40 production sites around the globe and more than 100,000 employees. They offer light, medium, and heavy-duty trucks, city and intercity buses, coaches, and bus chassis. Mercedes' truck engine range goes from the small 5.1-liter engine with 156 horsepower all the way up to the strongest Mercedes-Benz engine, the OM473, which is an inline-six engine with 15.6 liters performing 625 horsepower and 3,000 Newton-meters. The OM473 is available on the Mercedes-Benz Actros and Arocs, making it able to transport up to 250 tons. By the start of production, the OM473 engine had covered 1.15 million test miles, including intense driving cycles in the Spanish Sierra Nevada, cold tests in Scandinavia, and endurance runs in South Africa. The engine series has a highly innovative common rail system with very high injection pressures. Furthermore, they have the possibility to shape the profile of fuel injection. This means that they inject varying amounts of fuel in several stages during the injection duration of several milliseconds. This has an optimal impact on consumption in all RPM ranges. The OM473 is a lightweighter with a weight of only 1,284 kilograms, which has a positive effect on fuel consumption, but still has enough power to do the job. Leave a comment below, thanks for watching, and remember to subscribe for much more.